Hey there, day 5 of the perplexed software developers rants. My diary for today is all about the nature of software development and how we are still doing it in a kind of awkward way. So, before I go into that, I just want to quickly um, discuss one process which I think has been documented in the Navy, the military Navy, where when they have those huge aircraft carrier ships, and these ships now have to be moored, coming to the moorage, it is not simple and easy to just drive that ship and park it in the moorage. It takes a lot of know how. And basically, they have devised a system where different team members will be scattered around the moor and will be guiding the captain of the ship to safely enter the moorage. That process is called distributed cognition because the cognition or the knowledge, what needs to happen next, is not in one person's head or in one person's vision, but is distributed around because it's a behemoth, it's a huge ship. And teams have demonstrated that they can somehow communicate and collaborate in real time and get things done. So, not only is this process distributed, it is also decentralized. There is no central instance that commands, but the team kind of gets everything done without necessarily having a top dog that's barking orders. To me, software development basically is the same. It's distributed cognition, it is decentralized, and because software systems nowadays are very complex, they cannot be developed by a single person who keeps everything in their head. It needs to be done by the team, and the team has to be fully integrated, cohesive, and working in real time to get things done. Anything less than that will result demonstrably in flaky software and half-baked software. Sometimes we call it crippleware. We may deliver something, but it's really burdened by huge technical debt, and it becomes a nightmare. So, what is perplexing to me, knowing all that, and there's ample evidence to support these claims, what really is perplexing is why are we still refusing, in most cases, to consider software development as a team effort? Why do we still think it's okay to scatter developers? Let's say there's a team of 5 software developers. Each individual goes away and goes into their own cave or whatever, this cubicle or their own studio, and work in isolation. And then after a while they come back and then try to assemble what they worked on. This is the most wasteful possible approach to developing software, and yet it is the norm, I think, still in most of the organizations. Now, there are different reasons for that. First of all, we've been trained and educated how to program, how to develop software by sitting by ourselves alone in front of the computer. So for us, we think this is how it should be done. We find it odd that we should be doing things together. And secondly, if, for example, if I'm hiring and managing a team of some number of developers, and each developer is very experienced, costs a lot of money, then the impetus or the inclination is to try and optimize or utilize those people, because every hour is costing us so much. So why don't we have each person working on something else? Therefore, we maximize the utilization, we get our money's worth. Now, this is false economy, this is false math, but it persists. And I just, for the life of me, I cannot understand why are we still kind of fostering and propagating that way of thinking when it's obvious that it just won't work. I'll talk some more about some of the details later. I don't want to spend too much time here, but honestly, I really don't understand why can't we consider software development team as same as a sports team where you know we have a single goal, we have all the team members working towards achieving that goal, and it's not like every team member is working in isolation. But more about that tomorrow, and I hope you're having a nice evening. The summer is beautiful here, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye.